Great O&M means great performance of your solar or battery storage assets. We have different service levels in O&M. So we have full wrap O&M, which encapsulates everything on your PV or BESS sites. We have balance of plant contracts, and we also have some standalone services like monitoring only, whether that's UK or internationally. We have CCTV and security. We've integrated a 24-hour control room, which looks at the CCTV, security and performance of all the sites. The reason why that's so important for the security of assets is that we have eyes on the sites, eyes on alarms, 24 hours a day.
One of the advantages to the control rooms is us operating 24/7. Ultimately, things getting fixed faster, things getting spotted quicker, the reduction of downtime protects the value of the site. Ultimately, clients are looking for return on investment for the significant investments in projects. And in order to do so, you need to have the site available. So from this perspective, the minimizing of downtime, the maximising performance, and having someone who knows what they're doing, constantly looking over that asset to be able to tell whether it's performing correctly or whether there's something out of line is really important.
I think O&M provides collaboration opportunities and open honesty the entire way through, so everyone knows where they stand with us and they know that they will get the truth. So the difference between the ethical O&M team and any other O&M team is because we genuinely care about the results that we get. A lot of the team have come at this from an environmental perspective, and basically the aim from their side is for the good of the planet. And if there's anything that we can do to kind of assist in that transition to green energy and make sure that everything works well for us and our clients, that's exactly what we want.